good morning. So, time check. It is 11:25 here in Kansas. So, I'm cooking chicken afritada for Charles' family. So, I want to see what's their reaction. This is going to be my first time cooking with them. So, you know what? The chicken here is like turkey. It's so huge. You can hear that? It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 10. No, 11 pieces of chicken. But that was only 4, and I cut it 3, and some of the 2 cuts. Charles cut it for me because it's so huge. And right now, I'm so excited for them to try it. And I pre-fry them, so it will be really delicious when I cook the afritada. So super duper excited. I already have cutted some of the ingredients here. So these are the red bell peppers and also the green bell. Oh my god, look at that. It's so thick. I forgot to show you the size of it. I already cut it, and I use a baby young carrots, and I got onion and garlic here, and the potatoes. That's it. So I forgot to show you guys, this is the pork and beans that I'm gonna use, the Van Camps instead of hams. And we have the onion powder, we have the bay leaf, and also I brought this from the Philippines, the UFC banana ketchup. And also we have this onion mince, or minced onion. So that's all the ingredients. Oh, look at that huge queso. Diba? I already pre-fried them. So I'm done with this, guys. And now I'm gonna saute the onion and the garlic. I transfer it, guys, kasi maliit lang dito. So, ayan na. Anuhin lang natin yan. Let it boil. Hanggang mag-soft siya. Then I will put all the vegetables. Okay, you're making a mess again. I'm gonna show you guys the mom's birds in here. So I don't know what's their name. Look how pretty they are. While waiting for the food to be cooked, I'm gonna show you our buddies in here. Hello! Hi! You wanna say hi to the vlog? You wanna say hi to the vlog? You're gonna be famous now. You're in the vlog. Is that one? Noisy one. Hello! Hi! Lili siya. Lili din siya. Ay, yung mga pet ni mom, guys. Uy, ang ingay, ang ingay. Ingay. Okay, what is it? Okay, what is it? You want to be in a YouTube? Okay. Alright. Alright. It's so funny. Okay. Alright. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Okay. Okay, I got some strawberry here, guys. This is only $2. So, ang mahal sa atin, diba? Pero hindi siya masyadong matamis. It's okay lang siya. Pero, in order for you to have this, to make this one sweeter, you just have to put a sugar in it and put it inside the ref. Remove this leaves here. And then, by the next morning, it's gonna be sweet. Okay, so I already put it in the tupper, guys. I'm gonna cut this one like this size and put sugar in it, and I'll put that in a fridge to make it sweeter by tomorrow. Yan. Sukat lang natin to. Kumusta na kayo dyan, guys? How are you doing? So hindi siya masyadong sweet, guys. I think they have strawberries here, which is sweet. But I don't know where you can find it. What type of strawberries, Mom, that is very sweet in here? Like you didn't need to put sugar in it. Do you have you tried?
I have all strawberries are like that. They have to have some sweetener put in them.
Oh.
Blueberries don't. Do you get blueberries there?
Yeah, we have blueberries. So expensive.
Yeah. I buy frozen blueberries, but yeah, and you can buy frozen strawberries.
We can make this one shake or a smoothie.
Yes.
Do you have blender, Mom?
Yes, right there.
Okay. Oh, there too. This is done, guys. The only different is the flavor, because I think it's from the chicken, because it's been frozen for a while. And the taste that I really want to be, I don't get the taste that I really wanted, but it's alright. And the potato is soft now because I want it soft because of Sissy Christina. She cannot eat the hard one, so it's soft. This is done. Alright guys, this is my plate. They are all done eating and they really like it. And I didn't take a video, sorry, because I'm afraid that they will not like to be in the video, so maybe next time. And I'll show you the food, how much left. Okay, that was full earlier, right? So now it's half. Eat that. And we still have 2 or 3 people need to eat. I'm cooking rice because we're out of rice already.
It's been a day.
Okay. Oh my goodness! What's pretty? Oh!
The one that stays with.
What's the name of this? It's so cute, huh?
Marshall.
Marshall! Hey, Marshall! Hey! Hey, you! Ooh. Ta-da! Is this a bulldog?
No, these are what? Pugs.
Pugs. This is expensive in the Philippines.
Very expensive.
Very expensive, yeah. Hello, kitty. Michiko, you want a pet? Pet?
Baby kisses your finger, doesn't he?
Michiko. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Be gentle. Where's his tears?